It's only about 6 or 7 o'clock in the evening, but I'm going to go and crash out again. It's raining up there up on the hill. It is getting quite nasty. Are you going to fall down or not? You dead twig, you. Yeah, it's coming down quite heavy. It's getting heavier. So my hammock is as good as it's going to get. I've got my Bergen snuggled under the rain tarp and the tree, so that should be okay. It's water resistant anyway. And my socks are snugged in under the lid of the Bergen so they can get some fresh air overnight. I've got a few bits and pieces inside the hammock, like my ale and spirits. Nom 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 nom. And my book. That is still glowing a little bit. I don't need the heat. But that's still glowing a little bit. So that can stay out overnight. Hopefully I won't forget it. And I can hear music. It's really fucking irritating. You've got to bear in mind, this is North Hill. And just on the other side of the hill, it's where the local junkies like this park up, tourists as well. But you get a lot of people parking up there having little raves. I can hear the music. It's really fucking irritating. And the only option I got right now is the woke fucking radio channels, black stuff and whatever, or Jonathan Wass on Classic FM, and it's generally shit music. So I'm going to go read my book in my hammock with some spirits and ale, and yeah, it's really fucking warm and humid.